Use your domains dashboard to review and manage your Squarespace domains in one place. If you own multiple domains, your domains dashboard is a great tool for navigating and managing them all. You can find your domains dashboard at account.squarespace.com/domains. If you're logged into a site, go to the Home menu and click your profile picture or initials. Then click Domains. The Domains dashboard shows every custom Squarespace and third-party domain connected to your account. To transfer an existing domain to Squarespace or register a new domain, click Transfer a Domain or Get a Domain. You can organize the list of domains by name, status, provider, or expiration date. Click a domain name to open the domain details page and manage your domain settings. The domain details page displays information about your domain and provides a single place where you can manage all of your domain settings, including whether or not your domain will auto-renew, who is privacy, lock status, your contact information, DNS records, name servers, glue records, and DNSSEC settings, domain forwarding, custom email addresses, email forwarding, contributors and ownership, and payment information. Please let us know if you have any more questions. We're always here to help.